Hey, Jimmy with Cuff and Stuff. Man, have we got a good one for you today. We're doing leg rack chicken. Hey, this just in regular old barbecue sauce or whatever. We're doing Texas Cajun legs. So, hang tight. Well, what we've got is 10 chicken legs, all right? Woo! And we're gonna put a decent hefty coat of what? Uncle Steve's Texas Cajun. I want to get both sides real good. I'm not going to sauce these. This is all I'm going to do to them. Put a good coat of Texas Cajun on them. And there we go. All right, I'm going to leave this Texas Cajun on these legs for 15-20 minutes while I get the fire up. And when it's time to go to grill, I'm gonna load them up on the leg rack, and that's when I'll bring you back. All right, well, here we go. We're gonna load these legs up on this rack. We're gonna get the big ones on this side, and then the rest of them over here on this side. Look at this. We're gonna get every one of them on this rack. Isn't that pretty? I love this rack for legs and wings. They do both equally well. All right, there you go. That's our leg rack. We're gonna take it over. We're gonna put it on the little Weber. Okay, well, here we go. We're gonna load this chicken up. Let me get a glove here. I wanna put a probe. I know that sucker's hot. I'm gonna put a probe in this one right here. I'd rather it be on the rack. There we go. All right, let's close her back down. All right, we're gonna watch the temp. Now here's what I want you to look at. You see this ring right here? That's the rotisserie ring. I've added that to this. It turns it basically into a smoker. So if you've got that rotisserie ring for your Weber, build it up. You would be surprised what you can put on this Weber when you add that extra room. All right, we're about 30 minutes in. We're trying to stay between 250 and 275 and doing pretty good actually. I'm gonna take some of this duck fat and spray on this skin. Now, I want to get all the way around. Let's see, let's just set this down out the way. Let me go around and get on this side. Get my duck fat all the way around it. All right, I sprayed down good. Put the top back on. I don't want it to raise up too much. And there we go. And we got right back about 250. So let's keep on cooking. Okay, we've hit 130 on our chicken legs. They're not done, of course. But what I want to do, you see, I'm using gloves. I don't want to fry myself. I'm going to take and spin this rack around. And the idea, naturally, is not to knock all the chicken off. All right, I got that spun around. Now, I'm gonna go to, what'd I say, 170? Maybe let them run on up to 175 after I take them off, which is probably what will happen. So when we get to that point, it's time to take them off, I'll bring you back. All right, well, the ink bird's telling us we're pretty close on our chicken. Oh yeah. We're right there. We're showing in the 170s, 171, 172. It's time to take this off. Let's pull this one out. I'm going to take this whole rack. Where did that one come from? All right, let's take him out. We're going over to the table. I'm gonna bring you right back. All right. Well, we've given these a minute to cool off. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, this is gonna be good. Didn't need barbecue sauce. Look at the smoke that's in this. These are about 174, 175 degrees. Look, this leg rack makes it so easy. I don't know what to tell you. Uncle Steve's Texas Cajun. Put that spice right, oh. It's hard to beat. I don't need sauce. I don't need anything. That will work perfect. Try you some chicken legs with this stuff. Hey, listen, if you haven't already, how about hit the circle on this side, subscribe. I'll have another video just for you over here. How about hit that thumbs up? Give me a thumbs up. Share it. It won't cost you a dime. Until next time, hang tight and be good to one another. Hang tight.